Welcome guys sa video ko. Ito papakita ko. Bedrock versus Java. Gusto niyo yung Java mod? Ay bago ko nahanap, install muna niyo yung DL. Tapos makikita niyo ito. And look what is this. You see that, right? Hi. Oh, now it's scrolling and kind of laggy. No, guys, I'm dead. Auto death. Oh. Okay, I'm right here na. So, guys, ito siya. Wow, he look na. He's clap. Oh! Died. Guys, I'm dead. I really will get this complete. What the? That's why they said Siren Head is powerful. Okay. So you want to see right, he's gonna respond to look. Oh, he's gone. So that is the Siren Head Horizon. Yun yung isa, guys. Now let's see what is the other guy I'm gonna tell you. Let's just say he's a lot more powerful than what we have. Anyway, sa DL din, guys, mayroon din texture pack na ano, ganito. Meron ako noon. Let's try this one. And this one. Let's get more blood. He can still kill me, guys. So you guys die. Mama, nagtapon na pala akong basura. Anyway, this is the set I'm gonna use para this time. Now let's see how strong is it. You're gonna know if I already tried it. Show ko pa lang sa inyo bago to. What the heck happened? all in this world. Na alam mo na kung saan mo hanapin next time, guys. Look what do we have here. Look at that, guys. Sabay-sabay. Brrrr. Bang! Sarami nila. Oh! Pew! Dead na. Now, guys, alam niyo na, guys, lahat sila. I personally would skip it. Let's set to survival quickly. To show you what. Wait lang. Let's create a mini house. So, yan guys, loading. Now, this is the last cutscene, guys. Now you know. Oh, it's right there. Go up, both of you. Go up. This other guy. Oh. Oh, he falls. Okay, this time guys, papakita ko na sa inyo yung mismong kung saan kayo mag-a-add. Kopyahin nyo lang to, guys. So, ito. Punta kayo dito. Wait lang, hindi yan. Kung gusto nyo yun, guys, punta kayo dito. Yung sa ano na to. Yan, basahin nyo. MCPEL. Tapos ito yung mod pack, guys. Ito, kung gusto mo yung, ano, yung texture pack na temperature. Ito, guys. Yung. Nasaan na yan? Wait, pakita ko muna texture pack. Bagong-bago lang yan eh. Yan. Ito guys, yung mod pack na nilakakalagay lang. Yan. At clearly, kita mo Sirenhead, The Horizon. Tapos yan yung mga, at ayan sila. Tapos ito, ay nawawala guys yung texture. Ayan guys. Tapos yung texture pack, hanapin ko lang. Search ko na lang. Temperature. Now you can see that one, guys. Kita mo yan. So that is the 2 mod pack. Now well up, just install it whatever you want and get out of this world.